Imagine that you live on a small island.
Your
Your
family
family
has
has
spent
spent
generations
generations
there
there
and
and
has
has
lived
lived
nowhere
nowhere
else
else
in
in
the
the
world.
world.
There
There
are
are
other
other
people in
people
the
in the
world,
world,
but
but
your
your
entire
entire
family
family
can
can
only be
only be
found
found
on
on
this
this
island.
island.
In
In
this
this
instance,
instance,
your
your
family
family
is
is
endemic,
endemic,
geographically
geographically
isolated,
isolated,
and
and
constrained
constrained
to
to
one
one
part of
part
the
of the
earth.
earth.
This
This
makes your
makes your
family
family
both
both
unique
unique
and
and
puts you
puts
at
you at
higher
higher
risk
risk
of
of
extinction.
extinction.
You are
You are
unique
unique
because you
because
are
you are
only
only
found in
found in
one
one
place,
place,
and you
and
are
you
at
are at
risk
risk
for the
for the
exact
exact
same
same
reason.
reason.
While
While
most
most
think of
think of
endemic as
endemic as
having to
having
do
to
with
do with
isolated
isolated
island
island
locations,
locations,
the
the
term is
term is
actually
actually
quite
quite
relative.
relative.
Not
Not
all
all
endemic
endemic
species are
species are
located on
located on
islands.
islands.
Any
Any
group of
group of
organisms
organisms
found in
found in
only
only
one
one
location,
location,
large or
large or
small,
small,
can be
can be
considered
considered
endemic.
endemic.
Additionally,
Additionally,
anything
anything
can be
can be
endemic.
endemic.
Plants,
Plants,
animals,
animals,
and
and
even
even
diseases
diseases
can be
can be
geographically
geographically
restricted.
restricted.
However,
However,
endemic should
endemic should
not be
not be
confused with
confused
the
with the
term
term
native.
native.
While it
While
is
it is
true that
true that
most
most
endemic
endemic
species
species
are
are
indigenous to
indigenous
their
to their
area,
area,
native
native
species can
species
be
can be
widespread
widespread
and are
and are
not
not
always
always
limited to
limited to
one
one
location.
location.
Small
Small
islands are
islands are
great
great
places to
places to
find
find
endemic
endemic
species,
species,
such as
such
the
as the
lemurs of
lemurs of
Madagascar
Madagascar
and the
and the
tortoises of
tortoises
the
of the
Galapagos.
Galapagos.
But
But
big
big
islands
islands
also
also
provide the
provide the
same
same
isolation
isolation
on a
on a
larger
larger
scale.
scale.
Hawaii,
Hawaii,
Australia,
Australia,
and
and
Antarctica
Antarctica
are
are
all
all
large
large
land
land
masses where
masses
we
where we
find a
find a
great
great
deal of
deal of
endemic
endemic
species.
species.
Koalas,
Koalas,
kangaroos,
kangaroos,
and
and
emperor
emperor
penguins
penguins
are
are
all
all
endemic.
endemic.
Sometimes
Sometimes
species
species
become
become
endemic due
endemic due
to
to
habitat
habitat
destruction.
destruction.
While
While
not
not
geographically
geographically
isolated on
isolated
an
on an
island,
island,
the
the
redwood
redwood
forest on
forest
the
on the
west
west
coast of the
coast of the
United
United
States
States
is
is
endemic
endemic
in
in
that it
that
is
it
now
is now
almost
almost
entirely
entirely
limited to
limited to
California.
California.
Redwoods
Redwoods
used to
used to
cover
cover
much of the
much of the
United
United
States but
States,
have
but
been
have been
destroyed
destroyed
through
through
logging
logging
and are
and are
now
now
limited
limited
to a
to a
small
small
conservation
conservation
area.
area.
Diseases can
Diseases can
also be
also be
endemic.
endemic.
An
An
endemic
endemic
disease may
disease
be
may be
geographically
geographically
isolated,
isolated,
or it
or
may
it
be
may be
isolated to a
isolated to a
certain
certain
group.
group.
Malaria is
Malaria
an
is an
example of an
example of an
endemic
endemic
disease
disease
because it
because
is
it is
mostly
mostly
limited to
limited to
small
small
pockets of
pockets of
infection
infection
in
in
Africa.
Africa.
Influenza is
Influenza is
another
another
example.
example.
Various
Various
forms of
forms of
influenza may
influenza
be
may be
widespread
widespread
across
across
several
several
geographic
geographic
locations,
locations,
but
but
because it
because
is
it is
limited to
limited to
human
human
populations
populations
and
and
can't be
can't be
spread to
spread
other
to other
animals,
animals,
it is
it is
considered
considered
endemic.
endemic.
Endemic
Endemic
diseases are
diseases are
quite
quite
different
different
from
from
epidemic
epidemic
diseases,
diseases,
which are
which are
very
very
widespread,
widespread,
or
or
pandemic
pandemic
diseases,
diseases,
which are
which are
spread
spread
across
across
most of
most
the
of the
world.
world.
Let's
Let's
review.
review.
To
To
be
be
endemic is
endemic
to
is
be
to be
geographically
geographically
isolated
isolated
and
and
constrained to
constrained to
one
one
part of
part of
Earth.
Earth.
This
This
makes
makes
species
species
unique
unique
and at
and
a
at a
higher
higher
risk of
risk of
extinction.
extinction.
Animals,
Animals,
plants,
plants,
and
and
diseases
diseases
can all
can
be
all be
endemic.
endemic.
People
People
often
often
think
think
being
being
endemic
endemic
means you're
means you're
living on
living
an
on an
isolated
isolated
island,
island,
but
but
endemic
endemic
species can
species
be
can be
found
found
anywhere
anywhere
as
as
long as
long
it's
as
the
it's the
only
only
place they're
place they're
found.
found.
Any
Any
group of
group of
organisms
organisms
found in
found in
only
only
one
one
location,
location,
large or
large or
small,
small,
can be
can be
considered
considered
endemic.
endemic.
Not
Not
all
all
endemic
endemic
plant and
plant and
animal
animal
species are
species are
rare,
rare,
but they
but
are
they are
certainly
certainly
one of a
one of a
kind.
kind.
Limited to a
Limited to a
specific
specific
area,
area,
endemic
endemic
species are
species are
especially
especially
susceptible to
susceptible to
environmental
environmental
changes,
changes,
habitat
habitat
loss,
loss,
and
and
hunting
hunting
pressure.
pressure.
Because they
Because
are
they
not
are not
found
found
anywhere else
anywhere
on
else on
Earth,
Earth,
they
they
run a
run a
higher
higher
risk of
risk of
extinction
extinction
and
and
often
often
require
require
conservation
conservation
efforts
efforts
that are
that
as
are as
unique
unique
as
as
they are.
they are.